아이고 감사합니다.
갈비찜.
갈비찜.
직접 한 거, 어제 한 거.
대박.
요거는 돼지갈비.
돼지갈비요?
요거는 오뎅볶음 해가지고 한번 드셔보세요.
마이크 체크 1, 2. 안녕하세요. 오늘은 새로운 경험을 찾으러 갑니다. 북한산 is so stunning. When Peter and I set out on a 60k cycle around 북한산, we had no idea what was waiting for us. This is so sick. Oh! 안녕하세요. I recently heard of this term micro-adventure. Micro-adventures are short, local and cheap outdoor activities designed to be small and achievable for normal people with real lives. This was coined by adventurer Alistair Humphreys. The concept provides a way to experience adventure, wilderness and a change of pace without needing extensive time or money. Nice, bro. And let me tell you this, today was an absolute adventure. Now, with most micro-adventures, you want to pack relatively light because you don't want so many things to be a burden to you in order to do the adventure. So we're just picking up our bikes and we're just going to go and enjoy it. It means we're also filming on these really small cameras. What that does mean is I'm using all onboard sound, so unfortunately nowhere near as good as the mic that I'm using now, which is the Sennheiser Profile Wireless 2. Been using it for a few months now and I'm absolutely loving it. All right. So we started off the cycle. 갑시다. 안녕하세요. So to start, it was hot. I mean, like really hot. 35 degrees, humidity. Oh, and it just felt a little bit tough as soon as we hit any kind of uphill. But even in that heat, as soon as we started, there was a feeling of just being refreshed. Like, 속이 시원하다. Like, just even my insides were healed. Oh, it's nice, bro. Go. Oh, it's kind of 시원해. Yeah, sure. My first ride on an actual bike.
So good.
It's crazy.
Kind of the maiden voyage. It's sweet.
Yeah, it really feels that way. Oh, this is such a cool little road. Oh, damn, 북한산 is so stunning. I thought living in like Bapo, like just getting out towards Ilsan, that kind of way, you get into the nature pretty quick, but here it's a whole nother world. Now, living in a city, you sometimes forget just how mountainous this land is here in South Korea. I mean, there's a mountain just there, so it doesn't take much for you to really get into nature, even in Seoul City. And that's something that I often forget. It's incredibly humbling to be next to a mountain of such grandeur. To see that mountain has stood there for years and years and years, and it just makes you feel quite small, but in a kind of nice way. It's like life isn't all about me. This mountain has stood the test of time and I'll be here for a very short period of time and just enjoy today. Something about that was just quite humbling for me and releasing. So we locked into the cycle for a bit. We passed various different roads and paths, and it was honestly such a beautiful journey. But we got to this point where we were like, right, we're ready to eat and we're ready to rest.
Yeah. It blocks us out.
Oh, shade.
Of
Woo!
the peaks, so that's crazy.
Oh, that was horrible, that sun. Ooh, tight. we stumbled across this stream, this ke곡 that was flowing directly from 북한산, crystal clear water, and we were like, we need to jump in and just cool off for a moment. So we did. Cool off? Yeah. And this was probably the moment we realized, oh my gosh, we're on it's quite a real deep, adventure.
Bro. Yeah.
Oh, it's so sick. This is so sick. Oh! Whoa, it's deep, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice.
How is it?
It's good. 안녕하세요. One of the most beautiful things about life in Korea is Jong. That feeling of warmth and connection.
같이 계산하셨어요?
아유, 잘 먹었습니다. Small moments meeting strangers who are like friends.
좋은 친구 만나셨네?
와, 그러네요. For me, Surfshark, today's sponsor, is about that connection too. It keeps me close to family back in the UK and lets me access the shows, news and content I'd miss otherwise. With over 3,200 servers in 100 plus countries, Surfshark makes the internet feel borderless. Like the world is just around the corner. And whether I'm on my phone, laptop or tablet, Surfshark covers them all. Unlimited devices, one account. When I first came to Korea, I'd connect to random free Wi-Fis just to get online. Safe? No, not at all. These days, Surfshark keeps me protected. And if anything ever leaks, emails, credit cards, Surfshark Alert notifies me instantly so I can fix it before it becomes a problem. And the best part, you don't have to sacrifice speed. Tech Radar ranked Surfshark the fastest VPN available today. Hill was nuts. How fast do you reckon we got?
Oh, we are approaching 60 for sure.
So if you want to explore the internet safely, privately and without limits, hit the link in the description. Surfshark.com/JoelKorea and use code JoelKorea. You'll get 4 extra months and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's risk-free. Oh my gosh, this is like deep enough to swim in. This is crazy. It was honestly so healing and refreshing. The water was literally perfect. But what we had no idea was that there was a whole community that comes here daily to swim in this ke곡. It's a place that brings a whole community together. 수영 굉장히 잘하시네요. 와우.
한국말 왜 이렇게 잘해요?
감사합니다.
어느 나라에서 오셨어요?
아, 저는 그 여기에서 왔습니다. 영국이요. 네. 오늘은 마포에서 왔습니다. 근처에 사시는 건가요? 네. 여기 계곡 자주 오시는 건가요? 내일이요? 부럽네. 와우. Every day. This is so good. 와, 너무 좋습니다. We got talking about various different things. They were honestly so welcoming, fun and friendly. 저는 유튜버예요. 네. 와, 안녕하세요.
이 점프하는 거 찍혔어. 한 번 더 점프해.
괜찮아요. 안 해도 돼요. 위험해요. 위험하지 않아요? 와, 자신감 진짜 대단하시네요.
언니 점프 찍혔어. 한 번 더 해.
무섭네. 대박. 굉장히 대단하시네요. 와우. Wow, it's crazy. This is amazing.
아, 저기 그 유튜브 사이트가 뭐라고요? 구독 한번 해보게.
영광입니다. 안녕하세요. 잘 찾았어요? 아, 예. 여기다.
앞으로 저기 700만 명 됐고 700만 명.
그렇게 많아요?
7밀리언에.
7밀리언이요?
구독 눌러줘. 구독 눌렀어.
감사합니다. 구독해 주셔서.
여기 다 하세요. 10명 되겠어.
와.
집에 가서는 나도 해줄게요.
감사합니다. 와. But we were super hungry, so we asked them for a recommendation for somewhere to eat. 가장 맛있는 식당 추천해 줄 수 있을까요? 삼계탕이요? But what happened next might just be the most beautiful thing about Korean culture. 저 먼저 갈게요. 반갑습니다. 다음에 뵙겠습니다. 좋은 하루 되세요. 네, 좋은 하루 되세요. 네. Bro, so good. I was tying my shoes, and then this guy suddenly said this. 네. 아, 여기 계세요? They had invited us to eat with them, and honestly, as a British man, I was like, are we allowed to do this? 아이고, 그 부담 없이요? 아, 정말요? 와.
앉아서
대박.
음식 먹어요. 와인도 있고 일제술도 있고.
아, 근데 사장님 저희 자전거 타고 왔으니까 술 마시면 안 돼요.
술은 먹지 말고
네.
음식 먹어요. 그래가지고.
와, 진짜 괜찮아요?
네. 뭐 부담 없이 촬영해도 돼요.
진짜 맛있겠다.
직접 한 거예요, 다. 네. 잠깐만, 내가
와.
젓가락도 다 드릴게요.
아이고, 사장님 감사합니다. 우와. 오 마이 갓. 아이고, 감사합니다.
갈비찜.
갈비찜?
직접 한 거, 어제 한 거.
대박.
요거는 돼지갈비.
돼지갈비요?
요거는 오뎅볶음 해가지고 한번 드셔보세요.
와. 아, 사장님 굉장히 대단하다. 네, 참아했습니다. 감사합니다.
편하게 많이 드세요. 다 드셔도 돼요.
감사합니다. 깻잎도 했어요? 와.
요 깻잎에다가 쌈장에다가
와.
드세요.
감사합니다.
다 드셔도 돼요.
아이고.
이것도 직접 키운 거예요. 진짜요? 제 동생이.
와우.
직접 키운 거.
오, 굉장히 맛있어요.
근처에 사세요?
저는 여기 살아서 여기 걸어왔어요. 5분, 빨리. 좋죠. 여기 이렇게 가깝고, 숲하고 가깝고, 산하고, 도시하고, 시티하고 가깝고.
아이고, 사장님 진짜 맛있어요, 이거.
천천히 맛있게 들어요.
It was amazing just to sit there and chat, and we talked about different experiences, and he kind of understood that and got that we were on an adventure. What I really realized is when we go on an adventure, we get to take other people that we meet on the way with us.
맛있게 드세요.
정말 감사합니다.
네.
근데 이 음식이 식당보다 훨씬 맛있어요.
그래요? 고마워요.
Oh my god, so good. 집밥. But this moment felt so quintessentially Korean.
우리 한번 저도 영광으로 한번 사진 한번 찍어야지. 그래서
You see, there's a term called jong, and in a lot of my content, I search out some of these moments because I think this is really where you find a depth of the Korean culture. And you see, jong is all about kindness and humanity. To be invited to eat with someone just felt like such an honor.
아니요. 우리 동생. 직접 한 이거.
갈비찜 진짜 장난하네요. 이거 너무 맛있어요. 감사합니다. 정말 영광입니다, 진짜.
별 말씀. 추억.
추억이죠, 네. Now we had to head off because we still have 20k to cycle to get home. So we thanked them.
너무 감사합니다.
그래요. 그러면 조심해서 가세요. 화이팅이요.
다 먹었습니다. 좋은 하루 되세요. And we left with joy in our hearts. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. I just feel so blessed. And as we left, when we were cycling, we had a bit of a moment to kind of process together this experience that we just had. It was so beautiful.
Yeah, it was.
I'm so touched. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되세요. And the thing I really realized was that adventures are waiting everywhere. All we have to do is go. And it doesn't take a lot to do that, like today, going out on the bikes with a small plan, not taking too much for our journey, kind of forces you to be in need. And today was not just an adventure, but a moment of experiencing something new and something beautiful. 여러분, 신청해 주셔서 정말 감사합니다. 다음에 또 봅시다.